Stoic Dating Mindset, Pathway to Relationship Mastery. In modern dating, where swipes and likes reign supreme, finding genuine connection can feel like navigating a maze blindfolded. Through Stoicism, let's create a mindset that not only empowers you to navigate the complexities of dating, but also elevates you above the rest. Step 1. Embrace the power of detachment. Imagine you're on a date. Your heart is pounding, palms sweaty as you hang on every word your companion says. You're desperate for their approval, for validation that you're worthy of their attention and affection. Sound familiar? In the world of Stoicism, this scenario is akin to a prisoner willingly surrendering their freedom to the whims of another. Stoics advocate for a radical shift in perspective, a liberation from the shackles of external validation. Detachment in the Stoic sense is not about apathy or indifference. It's about reclaiming ownership of your own happiness. Think of detachment as a shield, protecting you from the unpredictable storms of dating life. Instead of placing your happiness in the hands of another, you anchor it firmly within yourself. You become the master of your emotions, no longer swayed by the ebb and flow of external circumstances. But how does one cultivate this powerful mindset of detachment? Firstly, it begins with a shift in mindset. Recognize that your worth is not contingent upon the approval of others. Your value as a human being is inherent, immutable, and independent of external validation. Secondly, practice mindfulness. In the heat of the moment, pause and observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment. By cultivating this awareness, you create space between stimulus and response, allowing you to consciously choose how you react. Thirdly, embrace the principle of amor fati, love of fate. Instead of resisting or lamenting the twists and turns of your dating journey, accept them wholeheartedly. Trust that everything happens for a reason, and that each experience, whether positive or negative, serves as an opportunity for growth. Ultimately, embracing the power of detachment liberates you from the chains of insecurity and neediness. You become a beacon of self-assurance, radiating confidence and authenticity, a magnet for genuine connections and meaningful relationships. Step 2. Cultivate inner resilience. Picture this. You muster up the courage to ask someone out, only to be met with a polite rejection. Your ego takes a hit, and self-doubt creeps in. In moments like these, it's easy to feel defeated and discouraged. But this is precisely where the Stoic virtue of resilience shines brightest. Resilience in the Stoic context is not merely about bouncing back from adversity. It's about thriving in the face of it. It's about cultivating an unwavering inner strength that allows you to persevere through life's inevitable challenges. So, how does one cultivate this inner resilience, especially in the context of dating? Firstly, embrace the power of perspective. Instead of viewing rejection as a personal failure, reframe it as an opportunity for growth. Stoics view obstacles as stepping stones to character development. Each setback is not a roadblock, but a detour on the path to becoming your best self. Secondly, practice self-awareness. Pay attention to your thoughts and emotions in response to rejection. Are you allowing it to define your self-worth? Are you internalizing it as a reflection of your inadequacy? By shining a light on these internal narratives, you reclaim your power to choose how you respond. Thirdly, lean into discomfort. Resilience isn't built in moments of comfort. It's forged in the crucible of adversity. Embrace discomfort as a catalyst for growth. Push yourself outside of your comfort zone, whether it's by approaching someone new or engaging in vulnerable conversations. With each courageous act, you chip away at the armor of fear and insecurity, revealing the resilient core beneath. Lastly, practice self-compassion. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would offer to a dear friend facing adversity. Recognize that setbacks are a natural part of the human experience, and that you are worthy of love and belonging, regardless of external validation. Cultivating inner resilience is about transforming setbacks into springboards for growth. It's about embodying the Stoic ideal of enduring hardship with grace and fortitude. By cultivating this inner strength, you not only weather the storms of dating life, but emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than ever before. Step 3. Practice virtuous action. In a world where superficiality often reigns supreme, the Stoic principle of practicing virtuous action serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path to authentic and meaningful connections in the realm of dating. But what exactly does it mean to practice virtuous action in the context of dating? At its core, virtuous action entails embodying the cardinal virtues of wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice in your interactions with others. It's about cultivating a character that reflects integrity, kindness, and empathy. A character that transcends fleeting appearances and superficial charm. So, how can you integrate virtuous action into your dating life? Firstly, lead with authenticity. Instead of presenting a curated version of yourself designed to impress, strive for genuine authenticity. Be unapologetically yourself, flaws and all. Authenticity is magnetic. It draws others to you like moths to a flame, fostering connections built on trust and mutual respect. Secondly, practice empathy. Seek to understand rather than to be understood. Empathy is the cornerstone of meaningful relationships. It allows you to connect with others on a deeper level, to see the world through their eyes, and to validate their experiences and emotions. Thirdly, embody integrity in all your interactions. Let your words and actions be a reflection of your values and principles. Be honest and transparent, even when it's difficult. Integrity breeds trust, laying the foundation for genuine and lasting connections. Fourthly, exercise restraint and moderation. Practice temperance in your desires and impulses. Resist the urge to rush into relationships or to pursue instant gratification. Instead, cultivate patience and self-discipline, allowing relationships to unfold organically and authentically. Lastly, advocate for justice and fairness. Treat others with dignity and respect, regardless of differences in background or beliefs. Stand up against injustice and inequality, both in your personal relationships and in the world at large. Justice is the bedrock of harmonious relationships. It fosters mutual respect and reciprocity. Step 4. Master the art of acceptance. In the tumultuous world of dating, uncertainty reigns supreme. Will they call? Will they text? Will the relationship progress to the next level? These questions often swirl in the minds of those navigating the complex landscape of modern romance. However, Stoicism offers a powerful antidote to this uncertainty: the art of acceptance. Acceptance, in the Stoic context, does not imply passivity or resignation. Rather, it's about embracing the present moment with open arms, acknowledging reality as it is, and relinquishing attachment to outcomes beyond our control. So, how can you master the art of acceptance in your dating life? Firstly, practice radical acceptance of reality. Instead of resisting or denying the inevitable twists and turns of your dating journey, embrace them wholeheartedly. Accept that rejection, heartbreak, and uncertainty are natural parts of the human experience. By acknowledging reality as it is, you free yourself from the burden of unrealistic expectations and unnecessary suffering. Secondly, cultivate mindfulness. Train yourself to observe your thoughts and emotions without judgment, particularly in moments of uncertainty or discomfort. By developing this awareness, you create space for acceptance to flourish, allowing you to respond to challenges with equanimity and grace. Thirdly, focus on what you can control. While you may not have control over external circumstances such as the actions or feelings of others, you do have control over your own thoughts, actions, and responses. Redirect your energy towards that which you can influence, rather than fixating on that which is beyond your control. Fourthly, embrace the principle of amor fati, love of fate. Trust that everything that happens, whether positive or negative, is ultimately for your highest good. Embrace the inherent wisdom of the universe and surrender to the flow of life, knowing that each experience, no matter how challenging, is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Lastly, cultivate gratitude. Even in the midst of uncertainty and adversity, there is always something to be grateful for. Focus on the blessings in your life, whether it's the support of friends and family, the beauty of nature, or the lessons learned from past experiences. Gratitude fosters a mindset of abundance and contentment, allowing acceptance to flourish. Mastering the art of acceptance in your dating life is about surrendering to the present moment with open-heartedness and grace. By embracing acceptance, you free yourself from the shackles of expectation and anxiety, allowing genuine connection and authentic relationships to blossom. Step 5. Embrace the journey, release the outcome. In the fast-paced world of modern dating, it's easy to become fixated on the end goal, a committed relationship, marriage, or happily ever after. However, Stoicism invites us to shift our focus from the destination to the journey itself, to embrace the present moment with open arms and release our attachment to the outcome. But what does it truly mean to embrace the journey in the context of dating? Firstly, it entails letting go of the need for certainty. Instead of obsessing over where your current relationship is headed or worrying about what the future may hold, immerse yourself fully in the present moment. Allow yourself to savor the joys of getting to know someone new, the excitement of shared experiences, and the growth that comes from navigating the ups and downs of dating life. Secondly, practice mindfulness. Cultivate awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations as you journey through the dating landscape. Be fully present in each interaction, allowing yourself to connect authentically with others without being weighed down by past regrets or future anxieties. Thirdly, adopt a mindset of curiosity and exploration. Approach each new connection with a sense of wonder and openness, eager to learn from the unique experiences and perspectives that each person brings into your life. View dating not as a means to an end, but as an adventure, a journey of self-discovery, growth, and connection. Fourthly, release attachment to the outcome. Understand that while you may have preferences and desires regarding the direction of your romantic life, ultimately, the future is uncertain and beyond your control. Trust in the natural unfolding of events and surrender to the flow of life with grace and acceptance. Lastly, cultivate gratitude for the journey itself. Recognize the beauty and richness of each moment, regardless of whether it leads to a lasting relationship or not. Every interaction, whether fleeting or profound, has the potential to teach you something valuable about yourself and others. Embracing the journey and releasing attachment to the outcome in your dating life is about finding joy and fulfillment in the present moment, regardless of where the path may lead. By adopting this mindset, you free yourself from the burden of expectation and open yourself up to a world of infinite possibility and potential. Check this next video on 7 types you should avoid dating at all costs to help you master relationships and have no headaches in the future.